Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to check the battery health and performance of our laptop. And the best part is, we won't be using any third-party software. Instead, we'll use a simple and powerful built-in tool, Command Prompt. If you're a laptop user and have ever wondered how well your battery is performing, whether it's still holding a good charge, or if it's time to consider a replacement, this video is for you. By the end of this quick and easy guide, you'll know exactly how to generate a full battery report and analyze its health in under a minute. Let's get started. Alright, the first step is click on the search icon on your taskbar, then type CMD in the search box. When the command prompt appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. If prompted, click Yes to allow it. Once the command prompt window opens, we're going to type a command to analyze the system's power usage and battery efficiency. Type the command powercfg -energy and then press enter. This command will start monitoring your system for 60 seconds. During this time, it traces system activity and gathers energy efficiency data. Just wait while it completes. After it's finished, ignore the errors and warning. Let's enter the second command, powercfg-batteryreport, then press enter again. After you run this command, it will generate a detailed battery report and save it as an HTML file. You'll see a message saying the report has been saved in the following path. Make sure to note down or copy this path. Now that the battery report has been generated, let's go ahead and open it. First, open File Explorer and navigate to this PC, then open the local disk C drive. From there, go into the Windows folder and inside it, find the System32 folder. Once you're inside System32 folder, scroll through the files or use the search bar to locate a file named batteryreport.html. You can also sort the files by name or by date modified to find it more easily. Once you find the report, just double-click on it and it will open up in your default web browser. You'll now see a detailed battery report. At the top, it shows your system information, such as your operating system build, computer name, and BIOS version. As you scroll down, you'll come across a section called Installed Batteries. This section shows you important battery details like the battery name, manufacturer, design capacity, and full charge capacity. Keep an eye on the full charge capacity in comparison to the design capacity. Ideally, these two numbers should be close to each other. If the full charge capacity is significantly lower than the design capacity, it means the battery has started to wear out and can no longer hold its original maximum charge. For example, in my case, the design capacity is 51,999 megawatt hours, while the full charge capacity is only 25,460 megawatt hours. This indicates that my battery is currently operating at roughly 50% of its original capacity, which is still manageable but shows noticeable degradation. It's completely normal for the full charge capacity to decline over time, especially after a few years of regular use. In many cases, you might see this value drop to 30,000, 20,000, or even lower, which clearly reflects a decrease in overall battery health. Regularly checking this report can help you understand when it might be time to consider a battery replacement. And that's it. That's how you can easily check your laptop's battery health without installing any third-party software, just using a simple command in Command Prompt. Keeping an eye on your battery's condition can help you plan ahead, especially if you rely on your laptop for important work or travel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more useful tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.